So in today's video, we will be talking about how to create that extremely cozy and comfortable space for you and your family. This video is going to be giving you guys all the tips and styling ideas to create that cozy home that you always want to return to. Hello guys, and welcome to Dede's Home Interior. My name is Dede. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do home decor, inspiration and ideas and some organization. I also strive to show you how to create homes that look a lot more expensive than they actually are. If this is something that you are interested in, please stay tuned and keep on watching. I feel like I'm at a place where I don't like staying out for long. I don't like even being out of the house because I have set up a home that is as cozy as it can be for my family's needs, and you definitely want to set up something like that as well. If you're one of those that usually feels like something is lacking in your home, this is definitely the video for you. Sit back, get your pen and your paper, get a cup of coffee or tea, whichever one works for you. Relax and watch this video because you definitely are going to enjoy it and get some tips that will help you elevate your home and make it look a lot more better than it already is. If you think this video is going to benefit anyone, please do well to share the video with someone that might need it. Share this video to help another person get some interior decor or design tips and styling ideas. So now let's just jump right into the video. I've always talked about having a theme, right? So this video is going to assume that you already have a theme. If you do not know how to pick a theme, please let me know. I will definitely create another video about that because I have talked about creating a theme or picking a style in so many of my previous videos. So I want to assume that before you're watching this video, you have a theme, you have the idea of what you're going for, but you probably want to know how to execute it. So this video is just teaching you how to execute some of those ideas or theme that you might have already. Okay? Now, the first step to creating a very cozy home is creating a conversation area in your living room. Something that you can cozy up with your family, to have a talk, to have family time, to play games. You know, you want to create that conversation area in your home such that you and your family can cozy up together. Maybe in the evenings to just play games together. You can have conversations looking at each other. You want some chairs opposite each other. You want chairs that are adjacent to each other. You want to create a nice conversation area. So if you can create a living room that is definitely a conversation area, you are already starting on a good footing. So I will tell you, creating this conversation area is definitely the first step to changing the game and taking your home to a cozy home. If you're wondering what is missing in your living room, also you want to check off that you have a rug. A rug definitely makes you feel cozy every time you walk to that space. I know so many people complain of allergies. Allergies is one of the biggest problems that we have during change of season, and some people definitely attribute it to having carpet around the house. A rug is just for that space. If you have a rug that you clean all the time, you are not going to be dealing with allergies. So I'll tell you that if you want to create a cozy space and you do not care about time spent to clean your rug, then you definitely want to check off that you have a rug. Nobody wants to feel cold feet on the floor. When I'm sitting and lobbying with my family, I'm not feeling cold every time I step my legs down from the couch. So a rug definitely makes it feel at home or homey and cozy. So definitely try to get a rug. And of course, we have talked about proper rug placement in our other videos. If you want some more tips on that, please let me know. But yeah, a rug is definitely a game changer for a cozy space. Throw pillows and throw blankets. I'm going to put them together One thing about throw pillows and throw blankets is they definitely cozy up the space. Are you one of those people that just sit on your couch, you watch TV, you read a book, you know, you just want to cozy up, right? You just want to feel at home. You don't want to add those hard throw pillows that every time you sit, your back aches. We don't want that around here. That is not what we're going for. Again, they are very, 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 very affordable places that you can get this. You could get them from Shein, you could get them from Temu, you could get them from Ross, you could get them from Amazon, depending on your budget and your style. A throw pillow definitely gives you a cozy space, or gives that illusion of a cozy space, if you know what I mean. The next thing I want to talk about will be candles. Always having candles around the house is a good way to bring some warmth and coziness to your home. Candles are also important for scents. If you like scents around the house, definitely bring in those candles with your favorite scents. If you are not into scents, get candles that are scent free. You don't have to get candles with scents to be able to cozy up your home. You can definitely light a candle that has 0 scents, and they sell a lot of them even in the dollar store. So when you have candles lit up around the house, it gives that cozy feeling in your house. And for those who like scented candles like me, listen, it gives you that fresh smell depending on the kind of candles you go for. Greenery. Greenery is one of those ways to bring nature from outside to inside your house. We all want some touch of greens in our house. I love a lot of green in my house, so you will see a lot of green littered around my house, especially my living room. I do not get tired of greens, so bringing greenery to your house definitely changes the game. It brings nature from outside to inside. You could do it using natural green plants or faux plants. I am a fan of faux plants. I have 3 kids that I take care of, but listen, I do not have the strength to take care of another person, like an animal or a plant. I have been thinking about bringing a natural plant, but until then I don't have the strength to take care of an extra person. Yes, a plant is a person, it's a living thing, so yeah. So anyway, yep, bringing a plant is a good way to cozy up your space as well and elevate your style. Books. Books is another great way to bring coziness to your space. Listen, when you have a book in any space, you're definitely telling people to get comfortable, all right? Every time you go to a doctor's office or an office around here and you see them having books in the lobby, don't you just pick up and read some? Even me, who doesn't like reading, of course, if I see a book when I go to a space, I definitely am curious about what this book is about. So I'm just telling you to sit, relax, and read something while you wait for me, while we are having our time, all right? So books definitely add some coziness to your space and your styling ideas. You want to bring texture to your space to add some coziness and beauty and class to your space. Texture definitely is eye-catching, means some thought has been put into the space. Now, you could bring texture from your rugs, from your throw blankets, from your throw pillows, from whatever. Textures could be from your vases, from your couch, as long as there's some texture. Every time you bring texture, it just elevates your space. Texture is one of those amazing ways to bring coziness, luxe, and class to your space. The next thing I want to talk about is adding some LED lights or just light up the space. Lighting up your space is an amazing way to upgrade and elevate your space. Every time you light up, you create that coziness, you make it look inviting. When your space is dull and not properly lit, it's not enjoyable to sit in. It feels like you are in a boring environment. That's why you probably don't want to go home, you know. So if you light up your space such that every time you come, you're like, oh, when I turn on these lights, I feel good. All right, I feel amazing. Get your lights, get some LED lights, under cabinet lights, around the TV lights, bookshelves. Just get some extra lights to light up the space. It could be decorative lights, however you want to light up your space. Adding extra lights is definitely a good and cozy way to make your space look inviting. All right, adding some florals is also another amazing way to cozy up your space. When you have florals around the house, it gives a really comfy and cozy feeling in the house. It just adds some freshness around the house. Flowers just bring joy, and that's why when someone gives you flowers, you're like, oh, because flowers are amazing, right? Flowers just make you feel loved. So if someone has flowers around their house, it brings that coziness to the house. It could be natural, it could be faux. Again, I do not care which one you use, just bring florals to your house, and make sure with all of these tips I'm giving you are sticking to your theme. We want to make sure your theme is not being broken. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed my video, please do not hesitate to share this video with someone. It might help them. Share this video, of course, with your friend, your friend's friend, your sister, who might need some tips and styling ideas to cozy up their space. All right guys, thank you for watching this video. I will see you in our next video. Bye.